Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about managing in a global business environment. This is a very important topic in the field of business management because in today's world, almost every company is somehow influenced by globalization. Introduction. First of all, let's understand what we mean by managing in a global business environment. In simple terms, it is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling business activities while considering international market, cultural diversity, global competition, and economic integration. Unlike traditional management, global management requires leader and manager to think beyond border and adapt to different rules, value, and expectation that exist in various countries. Why global business environment matters? Now, why is the important? Because we live in a globalized world. Product, service, people, idea, and capital can move across country very quickly. For example, when you buy a smartphone, maybe the design is from the United States. The software is developed in India. The parts are manufactured in South Korea, and the final assembly is done in China. This shows that business are no longer limited to one country. Companies must compete and collaborate globally, and managers need the skill to handle this complexity. Key factor in global business environment. There are several factors that shape the global business environment. Number one, economic factor. Manager must pay attention to exchange rates, inflation, global supply chains, and economic conditions in different countries. Number two, political and legal factor. Every country has different laws, regulation, and government policies. For example, tax rules, labor laws, or trade barriers. Managers need to adapt to these differences. Number three, cultural factor. Culture plays a very big role. Business, etiquette, negotiation styles, and communication methods differ from one country to another. For instance, how people in Japan do business is very different from how people in the United States or Indonesia do business. Number four, technological factor. Technology connect the world, but it also create, creates challenges. Managers must adopt new digital tools, e-commerce platform, and innovation that shape global competition. Number five, environmental and ethical factor. Issues like climate change, sustainable, and corporate social responsibility are now global concerns. Companies are accepted to operate responsibly across all markets. Skill needed for managing globally. To succeed in the environment, manager need specific skill. Number one, cross-cultural communication. Understanding and respecting different ways of communication. Number two, adaptability. Being flexible when facing new challenges in different markets. Number three, global mindset. Thinking beyond the perspective of one nation and seeing opportunities worldwide. Number four, strategy thinking. Creating strategies that fit both local and global needs. Number five, ethical leadership. Ensuring fairness and responsibility. even when working in different cultural contexts. Example of managing globally. Example of managing globally. Let's take example. A company like Coca-Cola operator in more than 200 countries. The product is global, but the strategy is local. In Japan, Coca-Cola may release special flavor to match local states. While in Indonesia, it may focus on different marketing message. This is called think global, act local. Manager must balance standardization for efficiency with customization to safety local customer. Challenge in global management. Of course, managing in a global business environment is not easy. Some major challenges include: number 1, language barrier. Number 2, time zone differences. Number 3, unstable political situation. Number 4, currency fluctuation. Number 5, ethical dilemmas in different culture setting. Good manager need to be problem solvers and decision makers who can handle these challenges efficiently. Conclusion. To conclude, managing in a global business environment means understanding that business today is interconnected and interdependent. Manager cannot only think about local market. They must consider global economic, cultural, political, and technological factors. Success in global management requires open-mindedness, cultural awareness, adaptability, and ethical responsibility. In short, the world is the stage of business, and managers are the actors who must perform efficiently on the stage. Thank you for listening, and I hope this expression helped you understand the meaning of managing in a global business environment.